Okay, so the first thing you got to do is pull this this panel off, right? Door card, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there. If you got a YJ, it might be a tiny bit different, but bolt underneath there, one underneath there, and one here. So I'm gonna unscrew all of those. Very, very simple. And then we're gonna be pulling this off. So you need like a flat screwdriver works. Here, let me show you how that works. So this is the other side, see? So it has one of these in there. See, that just pops in like this. When you're putting it back on, you put it in like this, and you just snap it on, right? But to take it off, so you gotta get in there with like a screwdriver like this, like a crooked one. You gotta get in there and you gotta, it's a little tough, but you gotta pull this thing out, see? So you pull it out and then this comes off. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so I got it out. So now, see? That just comes off. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew all the bolts we talked about and pull this whole panel off. Okay, got all the bolts out, so now you just kind of pull on it and it'll snap out and then you lift it up. There it goes. See, there's these type of things that you have to snap out. Even if they break on you, you don't really need them. This thing seems to work without them because it has screws. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so next, you gotta pull this trim out. It's very, very easy. See right here, you got 2 Phillips head screws. So I'm gonna remove these. Very easy. So I'll do that, see you guys in a minute. Okay, now, see now that we unscrewed that, this just comes out. See, nothing to it, guys. Just like that. And then you just lift it up, watch. Okay, that is out. Let's move on. Okay, next, you gotta remove the glass. It's so easy. So you just lift it up a little bit, see? 2 Phillips head screws, and that is it. What I like to do though, is I grab a permanent marker, see like this, and I trace this. So that way, when I'm putting it back together, there's no guessing games of adjusting it. See, it will just go on exactly how it was. Same with these things, I'll go like that. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew these right now off camera, and then literally the window just comes out. It's so easy, easiest window ever. Okay, got those unscrewed. Look at this. Ta-da! All right, guys, if you want to see the Jeep transformed into this amazing Jeep, guys, click on the playlist. I got videos on everything that I've done to it. So click on the playlist, subscribe. Till next time, everybody.